Hello, today I'm unboxing and reviewing the Cyber Acoustic Essential Universal Docking Station. This video is not sponsored, but Cyber Acoustic did send it to me for free so I could test it and share my real-world thoughts. And here I have this universal docking station came in. As you can see, everything packed very well. I also love that it could be used for Windows or for Mac. We have our cables right here. We also have our plugins right here. And as you can see, we can connect like up to 3 monitors at the same time. And I want to show you more close. So we have 3 HDMI plugins for 3 monitors at the same time. And right here in the middle, we have Ethernet connection. So you can actually connect your internet right directly to here. And right here, as you can see, we have 3 USB-A ports, and fourth one we have right here. And we also have 2 USB-C ports. And it also looks very minimalistic, very compact. You can see right here, we can just plug it in. So I want to show you how thin it looks, our connection. So yeah, I'm actually ready to go install it for my 2 monitors, connect my laptop. I also would love to mention how much I like that it comes with a cable wrap. So if you have too much cables hanging around, this actually definitely helps to manage all of your cables. And here I want to mention that this is how we can connect to my laptop, and that's how you can power laptops through this docking station. So yeah, let's actually go install it and see how much we like it. And here how it looks stuck behind my monitors. It's very clean and compact. I'm very happy with it. It has a great size, it has enough power and ports, and it just works. I love it and highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.